Good Thursday evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Tim Pandagis. Our Houston weather headlines are a continuation of our warm, humid, and breezy conditions for about another 24 hours or so, because then we'll be watching the approach of a strong cold front tomorrow night into the early morning hours of Saturday. That does bring with it a severe threat. It's a quick mover, though. By sunrise Saturday morning, I think it's gone and out of here, and we'll see rapidly improving conditions. Here's how it shapes up on future track. The remainder of our Thursday evening will be quiet, partly cloudy. There's the minimal chance of an isolated sprinkle as our onshore flow off the Gulf of Mexico continues to transport in mild and muggy air that'll be with us through the day tomorrow. Now, by tomorrow, say mid-afternoon up through about the lunch hour, we could have a few spotty showers and thunderstorms that could grow to become intense and possibly on the stronger side, especially as they head north of I-10. So we'll keep an eye on that. But the main event is going to be the squall line, or the cold front developing along it as it moves on through to the northwest, pushing to the south and east. Here we are at 10 o'clock. This will be in the overnight hours. By midnight, it pushes towards the Harris County, Houston metro area, and then races to the coast by 2-3 a.m. Notice it becomes a little more ragged looking, losing a lot of its intensity as it hits the coastline and then moves well offshore. Skies rapidly start to clear on out by early Saturday morning around sunrise or quickly thereafter. Here's a look at the timing of the front. 7 to 9 p.m., I think, up by Madisonville, College Station, Bryan area, and then 11 o'clock to around 1 in the morning, we're looking for it to push on through the Houston metro area, and by 2 to 3 a.m., it should approach the coastline and then push offshore with rapidly improving conditions. As it blows on through here, there's enough wind energy and enough muggy conditions, unstable air in place, that we see the storm risk there from the Storm Prediction Center up to a level 3 in the area in orange, mainly favoring areas north of I-10. We're talking Montgomery County, points north of there along I-45. South of there, though, level 2 threat. So a pretty significant threat, especially well to the north, but the entirety of the area certainly looking at the risk for some damaging gusty winds. That's threat number 1. But north of I-10, the tornado risk is there, especially along some of those supercells that could develop out ahead of the main squall line tomorrow afternoon into early evening. Not so much concern with street flooding because it's moving so quickly. Most areas coming in of under an inch. Certainly we can handle that with the drainage basin activity across the area. So pre-dawn storms on Saturday, rapid clearing though. A nice day, 75 degrees, lower humidity. That same front though drifts back north as a warm front late on Sunday. So I think a few extra clouds, about a 20% chance of a shower, but we'll notice the humidity starting to build back as well. Out in the tropical Atlantic, we do have Tropical Depression Lisa. Yesterday made landfall as a hurricane, a Cat 1 in Belize, has moved across the Yucatan and is about to enter, at least the remnants of it, enter the southern Gulf of Mexico. Not really a huge threat of this redeveloping. A lot of wind shear present here, and will keep it very disorganized. Not alone, though. Pretty active out in the basin so far here in the early parts of November. Post-tropical storm Martin continues to strengthen off to the north, and two areas of interest here both have low chances of developing over the next 5 days. I do want to talk briefly on Martin because the wind field with this system is massive. Tropical storm force winds 39 miles per hour or greater extend out from the center of Martin 450 miles. So that is huge. And as it gains latitude, that wind field will expand in size a little bit more as well. 7-day outlook here locally. We've got the rain chances up tomorrow evening and overnight, then gone early Saturday. Nice day Sunday, a little bit more muggy though. We get that extra hour of sleep Sunday morning. Isolated chance again on Monday, but otherwise cloudy, mainly cloud free, I should say. Mostly sunny and low 80s right through the middle of next week.